What's your name? How old are you, Sep? What's my name? Kuya? Andre. Okay. Kasama ko din ng Miraculous Medal School ng Muntinlupa. Saan kayo? Saan kayo? Yan. Ayun, ang mga naglalaki ang mga bata. At St. Michael's College ng Binian, Laguna. Umagang kay ganda? Umagang kay ganda! At sila po yung nagbabasa. Bakit ang mga bata talaga dito? Ito po, ang napakagandang proyekto po to ng Eton City dito po sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ang kanila pong layunin ay mabahagi po sa kabataan ang kahalagahan po ng pagbabasa ng mga libro.
There is no king of here and no space for another king. Lord, he was sad and lonely, but he always wore his warmer smile. Somewhere I'm sure there's a piece of land for me, for he told his friend, he kept hoping for the best, and he worked hard too. Everywhere he went, he found
This is the cabbage that a poor chief from Japan went back to the Philippines, and then he was able to look for a rundown cabbage. See, rundown cabbage. Later we will go there so that we can see. Yeah, it's okay.